First of all, you have to download the Zoom application on your laptop. 2. After that, you try to open the Zoom application that has been downloaded. 3. Then click around for choose who has a laptop or desktop so they can open the Zoom application. And 4. After opening the Zoom application, then click join meeting. 5. After that, a meeting ID of personal name will appear. 6. Enter the personal ID meeting into the column provided. 7. And enter your name in the column name. 8. Then click join at the bottom. 9. After that will appear enter the meeting passcode. And 10. Input the passcode provided by the host and click join meeting. After that, click always show video and click join with video. And click audio to connect the internet and you will enter room Zoom.
How to change the Zoom background on laptop or PC? First, open the application and log into the Zoom account. Number 2, click the profile at the top right, then select setting. Number 3, select background and filter. Number 4, click virtual background. Number 5, click the check mark I have a green screen. Number 6, you can select several background provided by Zoom by clicking. Number 7, click the plus sign, then select add image if you want to add your own custom background.
First, open the Zoom application that is already installed on the cell phone and click the share button to share things with people at the Zoom meeting. Then a display like this will appear. We can share many things from sharing screen on cell phones, whiteboard, document to photos, etc. If you want to stop sharing with meeting participant, just press the stop share button. First, please click on new meeting in the upper left corner of your smartphone. After that, a new tab will appear and then click start meeting. Click start meeting Zoom and the meeting will start immediately.